Cooking vlog! What's up, guys? Today we are going to be cooking some ham, some eggs, and some bread. I know that's pretty simple, but it's healthy. Y'all could do it too. Come on, do it with me. I kind of left this on for a while, but let's just put on the olive oil. Let's put the ham on. Please don't explode. Loki's scared. 3, 4 slices. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh shoot. Okay, these look pretty good, boy. I'm gonna put that on low now. I want to thank you guys for getting me to 4K subs. I never actually thanked you guys. I appreciate y'all so much. I'm not joking. Y'all are crazy. Getting me the subs, getting me the money. Appreciate y'all. They're looking pretty good. Okay. I'll see you guys when these are done cooking. There we go. Next, we cook eggs. Let's get it. Oh, they're over here. Let's try to cook some fried eggs, because I'm bad at that, and we always gotta get better at what we're bad at, y'all feel me? If I can get these open. Open! There we go. And then let's crack the eggs with one hand. Okay, I cannot do that. We got the eggs on. Let's let them cook on low. Put the top on. Just let them cook. It is a beautiful night out. Let's go check out outside. Wow. A lot of that dough. Hey, what up, Sammy? Say what's up. Let's plug in the Christmas tree, boy. Wow. So beautiful, girls. That's why it'll never work. You had me suicidal when you say over your beautiful girl. That's why it'll never work. You had me suicidal when you say it's over. You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. Yo, you know what I'm saying? Let's throw that away. You're way too beautiful, girl. Alright, let's put this in the Ziploc. You're way too beautiful, girl. Alright, this is gonna be hard with this thing. That is gonna be hard. Alright. Alright, I did it. Let's go. Alright, and then now let's get it on a plate. That's why it'll never work. Ooh. Smoky up in here, bitch. I may have overcooked my bread. Let's get the butter. Hey, boy. These gonna be fire. Time to butter my bread, boy. Time to butter my bread. I gotta get better at this, because I low-key suck at buttering bread. let's see the finished product of everything. Bread and the meal type sheet. Alright, see y'all tomorrow.